Good evening, everyone. Have you ever wanted to create your own shirt, sweatshirt, or any kind of clothing of your choice? That is very easy to do, as all you have to do is heat press it. Heat pressing is a very simple process, and it's about 5 steps. The first step is you want to find a design or a transfer that you want to heat press onto the shirt. For this video, the example I will be using is this. This design was made on canva.com, and the logo will be used for our tennis team for their shirts. So after you have a design or a transfer that you want to use, the second step is to prepare your heat press. This is the heat press right here. It's set to 290 degrees and it's on 13-second increments. So it's ready to heat press whenever I decide to do that. The third step is to prepare your t-shirt. So what you do, you have the t-shirt right here. You pull the bed out of the heat press and lay it flat down like that. You then put the shirt in and lay it down like that until it beeps. This process is allowing the shirt to get any wrinkles out or anything like that, so the transcript can go on to the shirt without being messed up. It just makes the shirt look a lot cleaner and the design stays a lot better. So now that the shirt is flattened, you get your transcript, as I talked about earlier, and you go and line it up correctly, as so. Alright, now that the logo is on there correctly, you put it back in and you press it now. This time when you're pressing it, it's pushing the transfer into the shirt and it's heat pressing it onto it, and it'll be done in the same amount of time. Here, as you see, the logo is now transferred onto the shirt, and the shirt is ready to be worn, and it's high quality. That logo is not going anywhere. I'll show this again for a different type of shirt and a different fit, and this time it'll make the walkthrough a little bit more simple. This is for the girls tennis team, so it's a lot smaller of a shirt, and it's a little bit different when you're pressing it since it doesn't have a collar and it's a lighter material. So this time, you lay the shirt down flat on the bed, and once again, you press it to get all the wrinkles out, so the transfer goes onto it a lot neater, and it looks a lot better, and it allows the transfer to stay on it for longer after you heat press it. So this takes about 10 to 13 seconds every time. And once you pull that up, you get your transfer once again, and you lay it down on the side of the shirt that it's supposed to go on, like so, and you just line it up how you have decided to line it up, right there. And now you just push it back in there, press it down. The only difference for this one, you do it for the same amount of time on the same temperature, but the pressure on the heat press is lower since it's not the same material of shirt. As you see, that is another well-made shirt. Made very easily. Both of these were made in just a couple of minutes. Thank you very much for listening.